All right, while everybody's at home and they've got the kiddos, they actually have some extra help to go out in the garden. When you need a break from being indoors, we can get to work. Right now is the best time, of course, to be pulling weeds and remulching your flower beds to get ready for the spring. So here we're in our front bed and we've got some weeds to pull. Hey Hadley, I see some for you. Can you help me out with those? We'll pull these weeds. And Olivia, can you help me with these? This is a great way to get the kids to exercise and help out in the yard. Yes, baby. Good job. Thank you. And once we've got all these weeds up, it's great to go ahead and put down mulch if you have some available. Now we have pine straw mulch here just because I prefer pine straw mulch. I think it's a great addition to the lawn and makes everything look very neat in your bed. So once you get all your weeds pulled up with the help of your kids, girls, y'all can help me spread all this pine straw and we have a nice fresh layer to prevent weeds from popping up in the summertime.